In this video, you'll learn how to change the screen timeout settings on your Pixel 6a. By adjusting this setting, you can control how long your screen stays on when it is inactive, which can help with battery management and usability. Begin by locating the Settings app on your Pixel 6a. This app is typically represented by a gear icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you open the Settings app, look for the option labeled Display and tap on it. This section contains various settings related to your screen and display preferences. After entering the display settings, scroll down until you come across the option labeled Screen Timeout. This setting controls the duration for which your screen remains active when the device is not accessing. This option is crucial for personalizing your device's behavior according to your needs. Next, tap on Screen's Timeout to see the list of available time options. You will find several choices ranging from 30 seconds to several minutes. Consider your usage habits when selecting a duration. For instance, shorter durations can help save battery life, while longer ones may be beneficial when reading or viewing content without constant interaction. Once you have chosen your preferred timeout duration, simply tap on it. The change will apply immediately and there is no need for further confirmation. This instant application allows you to quickly adjust your settings based on your preferences. To ensure that the new screen timeout setting works as intended, exit the Settings app and allow your phone to remain idle. Observe the screen to see if it turns off after the selected duration. If it does not behave as expected, you can return to the settings and adjust the timeout duration again for optimal performance. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.